What is that? Republic of Gamers computer case. This is just going to be so fancy. My friend gave this to me because the way it was set up, it fried his GPU by overheating, so. Put paper in it. Wow, so fancy. No manufacturing date on that. But Asus made the parts inside of it. At least they didn't outsource it like other companies I've seen. Can't even make cases right. Oh, onto the actual case part. Come on, Asus. Isn't this like a $100 case or something? I just got for free because it's crap. That's the end of the Asus computer case.